we do little revision on log today. So chapter number 3, discrete mathematics. Okay, logarithmics. So see, log 4 64. 64 can be written as 4 power 3. Okay, so answer is log 4 power 4. This 4 had to be written this side, so okay, sorry, 3. So 3 log 4 is the answer. So log, if both and this value is same, then that is 3 into 1. So to solve the log problems, you need to know some formulas of the log. Okay, so here it is. Log 1 to the base a is equals to 0 because a power 0 is equals to 1. Okay, again if base and the value both are same, then it is equals to 1 because a power 1 is equals to a. So you know this part. Okay, don't confuse with this part, just you know this part. Okay, then log a ax. Okay, if it is log a ax, which is equals to x, because log a x is equals to, see if it is like log a base and value and it contains power, then this can be written as x. This power has to come in front of it, so x log a. Okay, and here log a is equals to 1, so we'll substitute this part as 1, so x into 1 is equals to x. This how you will get the value here. Okay, x. Again log a x can be written as log a y, where when x is equals to y. Okay, and two more formulas. See, log mn is equals to log m plus log n, means multiplication can be written as addition. And one more is, this is another formula, log m by n can be written as log m minus log n. Okay, so if you know this much formula, then you can solve the problem. See, if it is power is there, you can write here. So power is written here. Log am to the power n is equals to, power will come in the front, log am. Okay, and if it is like this, log am is equals to x, this is a given question, then you can write a power x is equals to m. Base to the power the given value is equals to m. So if you know, this is also one of the formula. Okay, this is one formula, this is one formula. So these are the formula list. Log mn is equals to m plus n. Log m by n means negative. Log m power n is there, means n log a power am. And log am can be written as log a, means you see here b is introduced here and here. Okay, log bm into log ab. Okay, so don't get confused, here am is there, so m is here, a is here, b was introduced. So after if you simplify, you can get the same thing again. So here again your ba ab ulta, base and the value is ulta, then you can give this value as 1. Okay, so these are all the some formulas of log. You see some problems now. See, 3 log 4 means if it is written here, that can be written as a power, right? 4 power 3. So that's how they are written here. Then 2 was taken as a power on 6, and 18 3 by 2 they have written as it is. We have to show at the end, we should get this answer, means we can't cancel the log. Okay, so again 4 cover no plus is there. Okay, they have taken plus and minus this side. Intention is we have to get this answer. Okay, so for that purpose, first they added these two things. So log m plus log n can be written as log of mn. Okay, and this one written as it is. Now minus is there, minus means division. Log m minus log n means m divided by n, log m divided by n. If you simplify that, you will get this answer. Okay, so again you have to show this value list to 4. So log 3 base 3 1 plus 1 by 3. So this is taken LCM. 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 3. 4 plus 1 5 by 3. 5 plus 1 6 by 3. Like that it goes. Okay, now you see log m plus log n, that formula, series formula. So this is m n o p, like that it will go. So you can multiply all the value. When you multiply, you can see here it will cancel the common things. Surely all the thing will get cancelled, leaving this value and this value. Okay, so they have taken 1 by 3 into 243. After cancelling this one, again they will get 81 here. So base 3 is there, so we have to get 3 here, so that our value we can take it out. Okay, this is like log ab to the power n can be written as n log ab. Okay, but here both a, so this point we can replace it as 1. So 4 into 1 is 4. So that is the how to solve this problem. Next is this problem. Prove that. We have to prove this leads to this one. So now you see here log BA into log CB into log DC. Okay, now log BA CB. Here this base and this is having the base. Right. So by base changing formula, what we can do, we can combine this two, A and C, by cancelling B. Okay, log C, log A to the base C. Okay, this formula was there here. So this formula, see, your base and the value is same, then we can write it as log AM, means log M to the base A. So same here, see, value and the base both are same, means we can write it as log C. A value will be A value, base value will be base value. Only these 2 points we have to leave it out. Then this one. Again, if you see here, C and C is similar. So we can write it as log A to the base D. So that is our proof. Okay. This is a model question paper. So this log 3 log 2 plus log 5, we have to put it as 40. So 3 is taken into the power. Then you should multiply this into this. You will get the 40. Okay, 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Log m plus log n can be written as log m plus log n can be written as m into n. So this is a proof. Okay. Another problem. Log x. So this is the given equation. We need to find the value of x here. So for that purpose, they have taken this value on to this side. So negative becomes positive here. Okay, all these things they have written as it is. Now 1 by 2 is taken as a power on to this. 1 by 2 means what? Root of it value. Okay, root of 9 by 9 square by 16, that is 4. Okay, square and the root will get cancelled, so that's how you will get 9 by 4 here. 81 can be written as 9 square and 16 can be written as 4 square. For 4 is 16, no. So 9 by 14 square and root will get cancelled now. Now here, so these things as it is we have to keep. Again here 2 is taken as a power here. After that, again this 2 they have taken multiplication, log 9 by 4 minus, okay, first division they have taken. What they did here is 9 by 4 whole divided by 27 by 196. 96 is multiplied with the 9 and 27 is multiplied with the 4. Okay, so we have to do multiplication like this. So first they have did the division and then that answer. So if you cancel, so 9 1s are 9 3s are, it will get cancelled. Okay, 9 1s are 9 3s are, so 4 1s are 4 49s are, so 49 by 3 and this value. Then again multiplication, 41 41, 3 1s are 3 12s are, so x will be 12. Okay, if it is like this, x will be 12. So one more log problem. Log 7x plus log 7x square plus log 7x cube is the question. Find x. See here, it is like multiplication, log m plus log n plus log some o. Okay. So you can write in as log of mno is equals to 6. Now if it is given like this, means you should add the power. You should add the power. You should add the power here. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. Okay. Now if it is written like this, then what you can do, you can take the base this side to take out the log. So then it will be x to the power 6, 7 to the power 6. Here you see power is same, so we can take x as 7. Okay, so this solve it. So one more problem. Show that a is equals to b. We have to prove at the end it should equals to b. So log a by a plus b by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 times of log a plus log b. So here firstly they are written as it is. Here mn formula they have applied. So return log m plus log n is equals to log of mn. Then 1 by 2 they have taken as a power. After taking power they cancel the log. So a plus b by 2 and a be the half. Then squaring on both sides. So when you square on the both side, this will go on this side. So 2 square is 4ab and the square and the half will get cancelled. Okay, square and the half will get cancelled, means 2 into 1 by 2 it will be 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Now a square 4, if it gets this side, so minus 4 plus 2 it is minus 2ab. Now this is the format of a minus b the whole square. So a minus b the whole square is equals to 0. So we can say that a minus b is equals to 0, which implies a is equals to b. One more log problem. Prove that log base a, log a to the base b, log b to the base c and log c to the base a is equals to 1. We have to prove like that. Okay. So here you can see here b and b is there. So you can write it as log a to the base c. Okay, for this one. Log a to the base c. Now c and c common is there. So you can write it as log a to the base a. Okay, if you interchange and write, you will get log c to the base c. No issue. When however you do, you will get at the end. If both the values and base are same, that is 1. So that is a solution. So next problem. So this one. So prove, show that a square plus b square is equals to 27ab. So this is a given equation. So first again ab you should mn. So mn formula you should apply. Log m plus log n can be written as log mn. Then you should take this as a power. When you take it as power, you should get the root ab. Then log and log get cancelled. Then squaring on the both side. When you square on the both side, 5 square will be 25. A minus b the whole square and square and root will get cancelled. Then a minus b the whole square formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is equals to 27ab. This is negative part. When it gets this side, it is positive part. So 25 plus 2, it is 27ab. This is the proof we have to. Okay, this is about the log importance. Go through, students.